Guys, welcome to A3 Tech again. I quickly want to introduce this new power bank in the market to you. They are reliable and it's BaseUs. And I have the 20 watt capacity here, so I'll be going step by step to unbox it and show you how you can confirm the authenticity. If you look around, you'll see that there are a lot of compliance and safety procedures here. So to confirm if it is original, we're going to scan this and also scratch this. Stay with me. Using my second phone now, I'm trying to scan the QR code to see what is embedded in it. So I'm trying to scan the QR code. Okay, it's not popping up. So I would go for the scratching method. So the funnest part is there are two QR code here now, and I believe both of them have to give me the same thing. Scan barcode. Okay, this is the first one. As you can see the number. So let's scan the second one. Let's scan the second one. Let's scan the second one. The second one. Okay. Is having a difficult time to pick the second, but be sure the two barcode are on the same page. Okay. So the two numbers from the two barcode have to be the same. So let's take a dive into the box in a moment. What we have in the box, it has a seal here that you have to peel off. If this seal is broken, you should return it. So we are checking what is inside the power bank. Well, this is really small, but it's kind of a little bit heavy. Inside the box, we have this. We have this, more like a sticker. Then we have this manual. I love to read manuals, at least skim and scan through it for some safety reason. I'll get back to that. Then we have a USB Type-C. I believe this is for recharging the power bank. Then we have the power bank itself in another package. You can see. Oh, this is really portable and comfy compared to their competitor. It's portable, but I must be honest, it's really heavy because of the power. The maximum output is 20 watts. You have different version, but this is 20 watts, as you can see on the manual and on the box. This is the power bank. Wow, this is nice. There's a reminder. Please regularly charge your power bank. Recommend at least every 3 months to prolong battery lifespan. Avoid leaving the products in unattended vehicles or expose it to direct sunlight. So you should not put this directly to sunlight. You can see these are the little things you get to know when you read the manual. Okay, we'll be unveiling the display screen. Well, this is nice. It has a 76% power capacity currently. So I'm going to check the manual if we need to drain it before we charge it up. This is actually nice and comfy. And with the fact that it's 30,000 milliampere and its output is 20 watts, it's good. But it's just heavy. Portable but heavy. I love the way it can stand. I love the way it can stand on its own. That's nice. That's nice. You can also use it this way, this way. But most of the times, prefer to go this way. Let's see. So I'll be diving into the manual for a moment and share some information I see. After going through, scanning through the manual, there is no way it says we should actually discharge it before we start using it. So, what like other brands will say, we should discharge it before actually using it. So I will also be using that. So this is the warranty card. These are what we have in the box. So I'll be testing it and getting back to you guys. Thank you for watching today's video and don't forget to subscribe to A3 Tech. Bye bye.